guy right here? This is Ernest Rutherford, the loser who discovered the proton. He's a hippie. He was so incapable of coming up with his own research that he piggybacked off of J.J. Thomson's. And then there's Niels Bohr, who had a significantly better understanding of the atomic structure than Rutherford ever would. But, as we all know, James Chadwick, he had the best understanding of it, period. J.J. Thomson sent Ernest Rutherford down a path, but if you look more closely, Rutherford pretty much ripped off J.J. Thomson's work and exploited it for his own.
He's just an old hobo.
You see this guy here? This is J.J. Thomson. He's the guy who discovered the electron, but everybody knows the electron kind of sucks. J.J. Thomson was so unintelligible that one of his students took his own instrument and developed it further, and that same student went on to discover isotopes. J.J. Thomson's dad was so broke that he couldn't even send him to be an apprentice to become an engineer. Throughout his whole career, J.J. Thomson hardly did any experimental work himself.
Turn down for what?
James Chadwick is the discoverer of the neutron. He took the proposition that Ernest Rutherford made years before him and furthered that research, and he used that same research to discover the neutron. The discovery that he made the atomic structure seem more complete than ever. At the time James Chadwick was alive, there was a type of radiation that everybody was mistaking for gamma radiation. But Chadwick went on to discover that same radiation was actually some sort of radiation with a neutral charge, and not gamma radiation. Neutrons, which as I stated before were discovered by James Chadwick, played a major role in creating nuclear explosions.